In this tutorial, we will learn about the user interface of Cryoparametric. From the previous tutorials, you should have learned how to create a new file. So let's create it. And this is the geometry interface or the user interface, graphics interface of Cryoparametric. So let's discuss about the various toolbars which are available here. Right at the top, it consists of the quick access toolbar in which various shortcut commands are placed. And below the quick access toolbar, it consists of ribbons in which various solid features, surface features, datum features are available. And below the ribbon, this entire region is called the graphics area. And the toolbar which are present in the graphics area are called graphics toolbars, which consists of various functions such as selection filters, datum selection filters, zooming options, etc. So just tilt the middle mouse button and you may see that there are three planes which are available and are mutually perpendicular to each other. This right here is called the front plane, and this is called the top plane, and this is right plane. Coming to the left side of the screen, and you may see that there are three planes which are displayed: front plane, top plane, and right plane. And at the middle of the plane, you may see the coordinate system, which consists of three axes, namely x, y, z. It is also displayed in the model tree. And below is the status bar, right? And it displays the unit which we are using. To draw a new sketch, click on sketch command and select any one of the plane and click on sketch. It is still in 3D interface. To convert into a 2D sketch view, click on sketch view button and the setup panel, or you can use sketch view in the graphics toolbar itself. It is also available in graphics toolbar. So I just explained the other ways of creating the sketch. So right now I just cancel it. To cancel, click on cancel button and click on yes. So the other way of creating is that select any one of the plane from the graphics area and click on sketch, or rather there is an option in the model tree, click on any plane and click on sketch. So this is the 2D sketching interface. Thank you for watching.